What's up, YouTube? Me and the E36 and my nephew Danny. Today we're gonna be installing this new bumper that came in from BIMMERWORLD. Real quick before I jump into this, just to let you know this is way cheaper on BIMMERWORLD than it is on ECS Tuning. It should be the same exact people who they buy it from, because ECS Tuning, they don't make the bumper. They literally drop ship it, is what I learned from all the forums. So these people seem to basically purchase it. They sell it for like $300 and only charge like $40 of shipping. ECS Tuning, they charge $260 of shipping. What is that, bro? So let's get to it. Let's start unboxing. This is the second bumper that I get, because the first one that I got was Amazon Special. It was $100 cheaper than this one, but it came all wavy and it obviously looked aftermarket. Obviously, this is aftermarket too, right? But I don't want the appearance to look like, hey, I'm aftermarket. I want it to look like a very good quality aftermarket bumper that kind of looks OEM. So I've seen the price on an OEM bumper and it's ridiculous. Oh, nice. The lip is detached, which is exactly what I wanted. That way when I paint the bumper, it won't be the same color as the lip, because I like the lip to be black actually. All right, this is just the lip. We'll put this aside in the meantime. Ooh. Wow, you know what, so far, it's feeling sturdy as heck. It doesn't feel like flimsy plastic. Wow, look at the end right here. All right, guys, moment of truth. I'll let you guys take a look at it first before I actually look at it with my own eyes. All right. All right, this is the before bumper with the after. Whoa, it looks so good. So since I work at a body shop, I'm very picky on how like the parts are, because once you start painting them and then you take them into the booth and you bake them and like very hot temperatures, the bumper starts to warp if it's made out of like really cheap plastic. So this one seems to be very strong. It doesn't flex, like it doesn't flex when I start doing that. And I like, this is how you know it's good quality. Look at the lines, how straight they are. And this right here, it sits adjacent to this part. Doesn't look like one tilts more than the other. There's stupid shit like smaller chip there, small chip there, but either way it gets sanded, right? All right, time to test fit this bumper. Let's see if it fits. Hopefully it does. It should. Yeah, literally don't be afraid.
Let's get it right.
Clips are meant to be on top. Nice. Nice. All right, she's a little bit naked. Okay. So now all she needs is, we need to find out what size these nuts are. Or the other way. Oh, that one fits like a glove.
Yeah.
Yo, how are the Hellcat boys? It's okay. What? It just comes right off. Dude, my bumper has like a million clips. Fender liner, the top part here with the headlights. And this just has a few bolts. Wow. All right, from the videos that I've watched online, the impact bar is attached to this bumper. So we have a few clips right here that sometimes break. Hopefully it doesn't break on us. All right, let's see what it looks like with the bumper. I know that the impact bar is not on yet, but let's see.
Damn, that looks nice.
Looks good?
That's good.
Like just use your hand, twist it. Yep, keep going.
Oh my god, so
So dirty. All right, try using your fingers already.
oh my.
I guess I gotta take this off too. Those. All right, looks like we gotta take these off as well. There's a couple. Yo, the new tail lights. I really like them, to be honest. If we hit the top, it should poke out the pin. Go ahead, hit the top, like right there on the green. That worked, that worked. All right, let's do it to all of them, and then we'll flip it around.
Stay still. Damn.
Oh, smooth. All right, it's finally on, it's bolted on. The only thing I'm not gonna put on are the black trim pieces. It's gonna be when it's finally painted. The only thing that's concerning me is what's up with this gap. I don't know if I like that fitment, guys. I'm so dumb. So I didn't know that this had like a guide in the inside where I was supposed to basically just slide it in, and I didn't. All I did was slide this on. Look at it now. It sits way better. Remember that other side that it was like poking out? All right, guys, I'm gonna take this to work tomorrow and let's get one of the guys to get it painted. Let's see what it looks like now. And 3, 2, 1. Sheesh, and just like that, she's painted. 1 day turnaround time, look at that. Fitment is nice. The paint looks pretty awesome, to be honest. It matches really well to the old paint. Look at this angle right here. Yeah, that matches really good. So all we gotta do now is just install the plastic pieces. You got the trim, the grill, and the lip. Then it's gonna look exquisite. Ready for this? Finish the job. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a like, comment if you have any questions. Peace.
Peace.